the same as Seaport to Maritime Workers Union, and same goes for academic staff union in academic institution and motor park to road transport workers union.
Thank you. Thank you.
Any contrary directive would be perceived as trade union interference, which is prohibited by extant legal regime of labor relations in Nigeria. The main contention of the second respondent, as canvassed by his counsel on record at the hearing, is to the fact that as a regulator in charge of the port premises, everyone operating at the seaport is a licensee and therefore can be evicted by the second respondent exercising his proprietary and regulatory rights. This line of submission blurs and tends to undermine the efficacy of the legal rights of trade union to operate in the workplace of its membership, and the legal fact that the right of trade unionism is a constitutional right preserved and protected as a fundamental right under Part 4 of the Constitution. Such a fundamental right can only be derogated from by law, duly made with the invocation of the provision of Section 45 of the Constitution to derogate the rights so preserved as fundamental rights in Section 40 of the Constitution, and the ILO conventions of which Nigeria ratified and enforceable in Nigeria. Thus, the second respondent's supervisory and proprietary rights to seaport premises is subject to labor rights of the applicant union to operate at the workplace of its members at the port premises, as conferred in the Constitution and International Convention Nigeria subscribed to. Such labor rights of trade unionism include the right to operate without molestation or interference at the workplace and can only be derogated from on account of proving bad conduct are required by law on derogation from fundamental rights. To that effect, I find this strengthened act of the second respondent to evict the applicant union from the seaport, being the workplace of members of the applicant union, as an act of prohibited interference with trade union activities, contrary to the legal protection of trade unionism, more so as it is well within its regulatory prerogative to designate certain areas within the workplace premises for the applicant trade union activities instead of outright eviction without act of misconduct. I so hold.
Thank you.
On the whole, on a dispassionate interpretation and application of the pronouncement of the court in the earlier judgment of the court in suit number NICS to PH6 to 48/2022, that Maritime Worker Union of Nigeria, Freight Forwarders Transport Association, and 9 others delivered on the 3rd October 2023 is with MWN1. And in the light of the later developments affecting due enforcement and the utilization of the terms of the same judgment, this suit succeeds to the extent that 1, it is hereby declared that the applicant union, that the Maritime Workers Union of Nigeria, being the legitimate and duly recognized union, umbrella union in charge of workplace operations in the seaports in Nigeria, inclusive of Lagos, One, Calabar, and Port and Warri ports, comprising of all categories of workers and truck drivers in the maritime sector, and operating within the port premises under the management and control of second respondent, is entitled to maintain presence and carry on its trade union activities in designated areas within the port premises, being the workplace of the applicant union membership, without interference from the respondents, particularly the second respondent.
Thank you so much.
And 2, an order of perpetual injunction is hereby granted, restraining the second respondent and Nigerian Ports Authority, either by itself or officers, management, previous agents, or whoever acting or purporting to act for it on his behalf, from removing the applicant from the applicant's operational bases or offices or such other areas as may be designated by the second respondent within the port premises, being the workplace of the applicant union membership, and from interfering in any manner whatsoever with the applicant's trade union activities, inclusive of its ticketing and collection of check-out dues within the port premises and may be designated by the second respondent. Judgment is entered accordingly and make no others to cost.
My Lord, we are very grateful for this judgment. My Lord, this judgment is very rich and educative. My Lord.
Yes. Leonard Council, I did not hear from you. I know that they usually say Leonard Daniel comes from judgment, only to go outside and say the charade of judgment. We have done our own part, so we always accepting Leonard trial court head in law. So it's not me that head in law, it's Leonard trial court.
As a the court has every right to be right and wrong, but it's a well considered judgment, and we appreciate the scholarship and the erudition of my Lord. We are most grateful, my Lord.
Thank you very much. On
My
that
Lord,
note, yes.
with the members of
Anything,
the network, we
Hello?
congratulate. Yes. Hello?
Who is that?
This comrade Ugo Adolphus.
Okay, the claimant representative.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, madam. Yeah.
Yes,
Happy, my Lord. We're happy.
we've done our part. So
Thank you. The job well done.
well done. We've done our that. I think our right register.
God, yeah.
Yes.
So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All of them. My learned counsel, thank you so much. My counsel, thank you so much. You did a very nice job. We are coming to your house.
Disconnect.
Thank you, sir.
We are coming down. See, Stella there. I'm seeing Stella. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. We are happy. We are rejoicing. Everybody here, we are rejoicing. Yes, that's SFM.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Africa, That's all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is court. Go to your private platform.
Mr.
Yes.
Awa, congratulations.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
All
Clement,
right.
this is court. You can go to your private offices and platform.
If you're well crafted it goes everywhere. Yeah.
And do it, but leave the
Council, we are coming to your house. Council, we are coming to your house. We are coming to your house.
Okay. You can go to my office, but leave the court.
We are coming to the office now. Well, let's go. Let's go there. As I'm going to talk to you, they have to. Oh, you go. Let's go. Huh? Yes.
Let me log you out.
Oh,